The compound formed between element X with atomic number of 14 and element Y with atomic number of 16 is what? How will you form a compound between element X and element Y? Then don't forget that for two or more elements to come together to form a compound, the charge on the first element must neutralize the charge on the other elements. So what are we going to do now? You are going to assign charge with element X, then you assign charge with element Y. So let's look for charge on element X. Then element S has atomic number of 14. The atomic number is 14. So the shell electronic configuration for element X is 2, 8, 4. So it has 4 valence electrons. So those elements with 4 valence electrons are positively charged, but they are non-metals. They are non-metals, but they are positively charged. Then don't forget that those elements with 1, 2, 3 valence electrons are all what? Are positively charged, but they are metals. While those elements with 4 valence electrons are also positively charged, we call them tetravalent. Tetravalent, they are also positively charged, but they are non-metals. Now let's look at element Y with atomic number of 16. So the shell electronic configuration of element Y will be 2, 8, 6. Then don't forget that the third shell is supposed to carry the maximum number of 8 electrons. The top shell is supposed to carry 8 electrons to become stable. So it shows that this shell is deficient of 2 electrons. It needs 2 more electrons to become stable. So that therefore the charge on Y will be 2 minus. The charge on Y will be 2 minus. So let's proceed. Then let's forget about the atomic number now. So we don't need the atomic number anymore. Now you can see that this one is an even number. This is an even number. So these two can divide 4. So 2 here, 1. This one will give you minus 1. Then this one will give you plus 2. Now how are you going to bring them together to form a compound? The charge on this one must neutralize the charge on this one. What we just do is that use this plus 2, the charge on X, use it to multiply Y, and use the charge on Y to multiply X. What is the charge on X? Now we have plus 2. Use 2 to multiply Y. Then what is the charge on Y? We have minus 1. Now use 1 to multiply what? To multiply X. Now we are going to get X, Y, 2. Now let's see, maybe the charge on this X will neutralize the charge on Y. Now how many X do we have? We have 1X. So 1 multiplied by plus 2 will give us plus 2. Then how many Y do we have? We have 2Y. So Y times minus 1 will give us minus 2. So plus 2 will neutralize minus 2. So for 2 or more elements to come together to form a compound, the charge on the first element must neutralize the charge on the other elements. So you can see that the charge on X neutralize the charge on what? On Y. So the correct option will be what? That is XY2. That is option B is the correct answer. It's very simple.